Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about a particular crypto that has the very strong possibility of hitting $100. And that's basically almost triple where it's at right now. Which one do you think it is? I always like to ask these little pop quiz, and I will give you a hint. It's on the screen in front of you. You can see it on this screen. Which one of these do you think is going to hit $100? And let's even put a date on it, by the end of this year. Okay. In a minute, we're going to, excuse me, in a minute, I'm going to show it to you. But before we get to that, I need to make you aware that this video is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so what did you guess? Which ones did you guess that it was? Okay, I'm going to reveal it now, and then we're also going to go look at a piece of content. We're going to go look and just kind of check it out and look at it. And there's a particular individual and an organization that is betting that this is going to go to $100, this particular crypto. So with all that said, drum roll please. I can't do a drum roll. I could do this like maybe on my desk, something like that. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, here we go. It is Cosmos. Okay, so Cosmos, absolutely one of the beneficiaries of what is going on in blockchain DeFi space. Right here, right now, down 9%. Frankly, I view it as a buying opportunity. I do own this particular one, and no, I'm not being paid by anybody at Cosmos to do this video, and no, my channel is certainly not big enough to pump this to make it go up. Okay, so if you're thinking that, put all that aside. All right, here we go. So Cosmos has definitely been on a tear, but again, down opportunity in my opinion, buying. That's why I bought it at these levels. But I will also tell you that it's been on a tear, but look at its 1 year high is 38.78. Okay, so we're near that, but has the distinct and strong possibility to go to $100, almost basically triple where we're at right here, right now. Hey, there's one of my dogs. You got to hear him. Somebody just drove by. Hey, I need to make you aware I've got my Patreon group. Links are in the description. Here's why I talk about this in every single video, because I want to help those that need and want the help. So if you click on that link, you'll actually see this page. It's $20 to join. You can join and cancel at any time. If you join, you get direct access to me. Who wouldn't want more Austin in their life? Probably. That's funny. I always crack myself up. Portfolio guidance. I can help you with your portfolio. If you want me to look at it, take a look at it, see what you got, maybe give you some insight. You also get access to my inner circle portfolio so that you can use that as a roadmap, a guide. Last couple of days, I've been making some major moves, looking at moving out of some particular cryptos and moving into some others that I firmly believe will 2x, 3x, 4x, maybe even 5x plus. These will go up 2 to 5 times where they're currently at. And I see opportunities and I'm moving into those, and I'm letting my Patreon members know exactly the moves that I'm making. Okay, so that's what I do. I let you guys know everything I'm doing. So check that out. Links are in the description below. Would love to have you, and you can join and cancel at any time. All right, so let's go take a look at this piece of content I've got for you. So the crypto community ponders, will Cosmos hit $100? I firmly believe that it will. Okay, so Twitter is gushing over Cosmos, and the CEO and founder of 8 expects Adam to hit $100. His tweets about the matter have garnered a lot of attention. Okay, so we all know that we've had some pretty significant run-ups. Last week we had that flash crash, frankly market manipulation in my opinion with Bitcoin, but that's what's going on there. We all, and I love this sentence, for instance, Bitcoin alone is expected to hit 100,000 by the end of this year. Many analysts are more than certain of this matter. And by the way, right here is a big deal. Many altcoins will surge along Bitcoin. The fact of the matter is that Bitcoin and Ethereum, as they surge up, they will drag along all the other top cryptos as well. And Cosmos, being number 26 ranked, will flow up with that. Now, this is outside of any catalyst going on with Cosmos, and frankly, there's a lot. There's a lot of new development going on Cosmos because of the high gas fees with Ethereum, the congestion on the Ethereum blockchain, all that kind of stuff. By the way, I'm an Ethereum fan, so I'm not bashing Ethereum in those statements. I'm just stating a fact. Okay. All right, back to what we're talking about. All right, so this particular individual, the founder of 8, has tweeted quite a few times about this. So one such token is Cosmos's. I want that highlight. Network token Atom, according to 8 founder Michael Van de Pop, seasoned full-time trader, tweets about the future of Atom's price. Cosmos to $100. Boom. Okay. From this tweet, we can see that 8's founder is hoping to see Cosmos reach $100. This is a big leap considering we're at 35 right now. Hence, the most recurring question or his reply is when. He's basically, we're all kind of in agreement that it's probably by the end of the year. So I'm going to end now. I want to make this as a really quick short video for you is that the fact of the matter is I firmly believe that Cosmos is going to go up because it's in blockchain DeFi and a lot more going for it. That way too many things to mention here, but I wanted to give you this content. So I'll see you later. Take it easy.